What's up, my name is Technober here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to play Minecraft 1.20 now, or at least the pre-releases leading up to it. The process has changed a little bit since Minecraft Live. Most of the features, if not all of them that they've been talking about, are now available to play in Minecraft pre-releases or pre-release snapshots. Here is how you do it. First of all, open up the normal Minecraft launcher. If you haven't already got it, you'll find a link to it in the description down below. Sign in and wait for it to load the main menu, then select Minecraft Java Edition on the left and head across to the Installations tab at the very top. You'll see all of the different versions of Minecraft you may have added before. In the very top right, we're looking for the Snapshots tick box. Simply click this, and by doing so, you should then see latest snapshot 22W42A, or possibly newer ones if you're watching this in the future. You can also add one yourself by clicking New Installation, then giving it a name here, such as 1.20, and from the version drop-down, selecting 22W42A, or an aforementioned newer one. When you've added it to the list, simply click Play next to it, and Minecraft will then fire up in that version. You can also head across to the Play tab and select the latest snapshot here, then click Play as you would normally. After a small download, Minecraft should then launch up, the speed of which depends completely on your internet and your PC. Then the snapshot will open up like this. If we head across to Single Player, Create New World, you'll see options as per normal. However, if we actually create a world, it'll show up as Minecraft 1.19. In order to access and activate the Minecraft 1.20 snapshot features, simply give it a name, customize everything as you would usually, then head across to Data Packs on the right-hand side here. Inside of here, you'll see Bundle and Update 1.20. Push all of these to the right so they're not available. They're instead selected. Click Done, Proceed, and we can create our world. I'll be making it in creative mode, 1.20 snapshot. Create new world, yes. And just like that, we're dropped into the normal Minecraft world. Hitting E, you can see a couple of new blocks, of course if you give this a scroll through, but if I search for maybe camel, you'll find a new camel spawn egg, which is a creature added in 1.20. Awesome. So it's working exactly as you would have hoped. From here, you can mess around with whatever 1.20 features you were looking into, and that's really about it for this really simple guide. Anyways, that's about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technober here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.